Hi, it's Laura Lynn from teddybearacademy.net, where you can take online teddy bear making classes from the comfort of your own home. In this week's free video, I'm going to show you a teddy bear making supplier's website. Hey, it's Laura Lynn, and we're going to continue our bear making supplier's website tour. This is part 3 of Edinburgh Imports' tour. And in this video, we're going to go over eyes. So if you go to edinburghimports.com, you will get to Edinburgh's homepage. And you can get to the section with eyes either by clicking up here and just searching by color, or just click on the eyes picture right there. These eyes are handmade, and as they have recommended here, if you want them to be very close in size, they do recommend purchasing at least 10 pairs, because you if you just order one pair, they may not match exactly. They are not hand blown, but they are hand dipped, so it is not an exact manufacturing process, but they are beautiful. The first thing I want to show you are these perfect test set eyes. Now this is set D, it says, which these are the larger eyes, size 15, 16, 18, and 20. Or you can buy them individually, this 100 black test eyes with sting, I think they mean pin. And here you can choose how many pairs of test eyes. I just have one pair of almost every size here. And the purpose of test eyes, because they are just pins, is there to help you determine where you want to place the eyes on your bear and what size eyes you want to use on your bear. That is where you can buy your test eyes. Now there are, if you look here, there are many, many different types of eyes here. In this case, they are all on one page. Now there are some types here that I am not familiar with, so I will not go over them. And these are the straight wire eyes. I am not familiar with using these, so I am not going to go over those. But the 201 eyes are an eye I use quite often. It's a shiny black, and it has a round loop on the back there so that you can insert it into your bear. And then so all of the 200 series are they have the loop on the back. And now when you go to order, say you want some shiny black eyes, you have different prices, different sizes to choose from. And if you see down here at the bottom, if you get 10 or more pairs from the same size, you get 10% off these prices. And if you really want to save money, which is the way I order 50 pairs or more of the same size. I do tend to use the same several different eye sizes quite often. And one of the reasons for that is so that I can order in bulk and save on the eyes. So if I wanted to order, say, some 10 millimeters, if you just put one in there, you are only going to get one pair of eyes. We do not recommend ordering just one pair because they are handmade. I'm going to repeat it. They may not match exactly. You have a much better chance of getting very similarly sized eyes when you order at least 10 pairs of eyes. So you just put in however many pairs you want and then click add to my cart. And now I will often use amber colored eyes if I'm doing dogs or bears. And that's the 202 with the round loop. It's just like the black ones, except for it's got amber around that instead, and around the pupil. So the iris is an orangey color. And the size on these eyes refers to the total size. So 7 millimeters from here to here is approximately 7 millimeters. And then you can, of course, order blue eyes. And then there's another type of eye that if you're just looking at this page, you may wonder why they're here. And those are clear eyes. The reason you would use clear eyes is if you happen to want to hand paint your own eyes. And I do have a short mini class inside Teddy Bear Academy that shows you how to paint your own eyes. And this is where you would buy the eyes that you start with, are these clear eyes. And as we scroll down some more, they also have green cat eyes. So the iris is green, and the pupil, instead of being round like most of them, is the vertical cat eye. Here's another type of eye that is a little unusual. These are old shoe buttons. And the reason that they sell old shoe buttons with the round loop is because with the original teddy bears that were invented in around 1903, the eyes that they used for the bears were buttons from shoes, because back then shoes and boots had buttons in order to fasten their shoes, and they used these buttons as eyes for the bears. So people that are making antique looking bears or old looking bears, if you want to make your bears look as authentic as possible, you might want to use some old shoe buttons for your eyes. Now, these are not available in quite the size variety as the other ones because they didn't make them in a large variety of sizes, but they do have 8, 9, and 10 millimeter hair. Now there's some other types of eyes that I don't currently have experience with. For instance, these sewn-in eyes. Or we also have the plexiglass eyes. These I'm not familiar with, but they do have them available if you are interested or if you're searching for those types of eyes. This particular one, number 501, is also a shiny black eye, but it has the narrow loop, so you don't have to crimp the loop. These eyes are more expensive, but they are easier to match up. They have some people prefer them because the loop is pre-crimped. Occasionally when I'm crimping my other eyes, it can occasionally break the eye. Now you'll know if it breaks when you crimp it, and that's very rarely, but it can happen. These don't have to be crimped, so that is one of the great benefits of these eyes. And that same style with that narrow loop is available in many different colors, as you see here. The 501 is the shiny black, and then they have 502, which are still that narrow loop where it's already pre-crimped. And I hope that helps you figure out how to buy the eyes for your teddy bear. And you can see that you have quite a variety of eyes to choose from. Don't forget to get your free ebook, How to Make Teddy Bears. This includes seven different designs, 7 patterns. And to get this free ebook, just sign up for my bear making tips and pattern newsletter right here at teddybearacademy.net/free-YT.